this video, we will be talking about the course on joyful mathematics learning. But before that, I would be giving a short preview of SEAQiM and SEAQiM in mathematics. First on SEAQiM. SEAQiM is the Southeast Asian Ministers of Education organization, and it is a regional intergovernmental organization established in 1965 among the governments of the Southeast Asian countries to promote regional cooperation in education, science, and culture in the region. Now, the uniqueness of SEAQiM is it has several centers, and those centers specialize in different fields. Up to now, SEAQiM has 21 specialist institutions in almost all the member countries, and those centers undertake training and research programs in various fields of education, science, and culture. SEAQiM in mathematics is one of those centers, and it is located in Yogyakarta, Indonesia. The Southeast Asian Ministers of Education Organization Regional Center for the Quality Improvement of Teachers and Education Personnel in Mathematics is an organization which runs under the flag of both SEAQiM and the government of Indonesia. It was established in 2009 with the purpose to develop the capacity of mathematics teachers and other education personnel, including school supervisors, the headmasters across Southeast Asian region. The center has several activities, including research and development, learning materials and curriculum development, courses, seminars, workshops, symposiums, and conferences. Now we will be talking specifically about the joyful mathematics learning. First, on the benefits of participating in this course. The course is internationally recognized because it is conducted by the Southeast Asian Ministers of Education organization, and during the course you will be meeting and working with several new friends from all of Southeast Asia. You will be meeting with fellow teachers, fellow school supervisors from all over the region. And during the course, you will have the benefit of sharing experiences with teachers and supervisors from other countries, as well as observing and practicing teaching in selected schools. And one of the most important benefits is that you will be able to develop regional and national networks between teachers, between schools, and even between education institutions. Now, the aims of the course, the Joyful Mathematics Learning course, is that participants are able to create a joyful mathematics learning environment in the school. Not just in the classroom, but also in the school itself. And it's not just about teaching, but it's also about creating a nurturing environment for students. And at the end of the course, you are expected to have made lesson plans as well as implement those lesson plans in schools. You would be developing an implementation report, as well as planning for follow-up actions that would be done in the near future after the course. And the outcomes of the course would be that participants are able to explain the characteristics of joyful mathematics learning, produce mathematics teaching materials for joyful learning, and create mathematics learning models applying joyful mathematics learning. The course starts even before you physically meet your fellow teachers. It has an online learning component preceding the face-to-face sessions. And then after the face-to-face sessions, you would be implementing the action plans, basically applying what you have learned and also sharing with fellow teachers on the concepts and the practices of joyful mathematics learning. During the course, there are several topics that would be discussed. There would be supporting topics as well as core topics. The core topics would start with a discussion on mathematics anxiety, followed by discussions on the concept and principles of joyful mathematics learning. And then after you have a good basic knowledge of joyful learning, we would be going forward to discuss about instructional strategies and approaches for joyful mathematics learning. Now, of course, we are aware that mathematics is not just studied in the classroom, but it could also be done outside of the classroom. That's why there would be discussions and practices on outdoor mathematics, followed by fun mathematics and arts, to show that mathematics is not something boring, but it is something that is exciting, that students can feel fun in studying. And art also has mathematical components in it. The next discussion would be on physical manipulatives and also virtual manipulatives. So we are not just focusing on teaching aids, but also on virtual aids that we can use to show students on the concept of mathematics. And at the end of the core component, there would be a discussion on the use of alternative assessment in joyful learning. The part of the course that you are experiencing right now is the online sessions. The online sessions would have several subtopics in it. First, you would be introducing yourself with fellow participants. And then afterwards, you would be given a course overview, and you would be observing through a video a classroom with an actual teacher and students studying a specific topic. Afterwards, we would be dwelling into the concept and principles of joyful mathematics learning, followed by a session on experiences in joyful mathematics teaching and learning. And at the end, we will have a live discussion session with our facilitators. I hope you would be able to participate actively in all these sessions, and I hope it would be a good start for you and for all of us to start teaching mathematics joyfully and meaningfully. Thank you very much.